Hello guys, I just wanted to make this quick video right now. I'm doing a boxing, and this time it's a power tool. I usually don't do power tools, but I decided to do one today because I just got this sander. I really needed one. So I'm doing it outdoors too, so if you hear a lot of noise or machines, there's someone actually adding another room to a house, so you might hear some power tools. And I'm outdoors and the wind just started blowing, so you might hear that as well. But I think it, I thought it was fitting, since I'm reviewing power tools or doing a boxing with power tools, I might as well do one outdoors. Okay, so here we go. So I needed a sander because my other one played out. I had a Ryobi, so now I decided to get this Bauer. And the reason why I got this is actually, as I said, my sander stopped working the other day. It was a Ryobi, and here it is, right here. Right. Yeah. So I had this for like about 3 years, and for some reason, it just stopped working. And I don't even use this much. I probably use it like once a week. And I've been using it for the past 6 months, and it just stopped working the other day. So I don't know what it is. And again, this is a brand that is well known, and it's really a good brand, but it just stopped working on me. And I don't do that much sanding, Most of the times I sand by hand, but it just wore out, like I say, in 6 months. I use it maybe once a week, and I couldn't believe it wore out, And I went to the hardware today looking for a new sander, and I saw this one. This one's actually Home Depot. I believe it was 59 bucks, $60. And I remember when I bought this a few years ago, I think I only paid maybe 40 or 50 at the most. But it's at the Home Depot right now for $60. So I decided to go to Harbor Freight, and this is what I found. They had this on clearance. This actually normally sells for $24, and they had it on clearance for $14.99, under $15. So I had to get it. And to make a long story short, when I went to the Harbor Freight, it was not in stock. They had a space where it was empty, so I was thinking it was sold out. And I asked the guy at the counter, and he said, well, I'm going to check and see if we have one in stock. And actually he had a lot of them in stock, but he never put them out. So I guess he didn't put them out, or maybe they bought them out, I don't know. But he found one for me in the back. So this is how I got it. So again, it was on clearance for $14.99, regular $24. And let me tell you, it looks exactly, from the picture, it looks exactly like the Ryobi one I have, and I'm glad. That's what I wanted. So I'm gonna do a boxing right now and take a look and see how it looks. Again, this is a brand that I have not, actually I have heard of it, Bauer, and I think they make pretty good products. But this is the first time I have ever used one of the, this brand before. So okay, here we go. Instruction manual. Oh wow, they even give you sandpaper. This is interesting. I'll put this to the side right now. But okay, they gave you actually sandpaper, so that's nice. Let's see how many sheets. Okay, they give you 2 sheets. Again, this is this hook and loop sandpaper. So basically, it just attaches to the machine just using Velcro. So that's nice. So you get 2. That's good for a starter. Put it right here. And let's see, what else? Oh, okay, here's the bag. This is a sawdust collector, I guess what you call it. I don't know. But this is where your sawdust goes, in here. So it's nice. So now let's take a look at the machine, the sander. Again, this is a Palm Orbital Sander. Wow, this is really nice. Paper over here. Put it back in the box. An instruction manual, of course. I'll set it up here. Give it a little bit more room so you can see this. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit too close. But yeah. Wow, I'm really shocked. This is really nice. I mean, the build quality, it feels really nice. This is rubber across here. And again, this is plastic, you know, the plastic body, just like the Ryobi. But what's interesting is that this is not, you know, ordinary plastic. I believe this is like nylon plastic. And nylon is a lot stronger than the, you know, the standard ABS plastic. So it feels just like the Ryobi, you know, it has the same filling, a type of plastic I guess they use, but this is nice. And you have this, I forgot what you call this, but yeah, it comes with that. Most Sanders do, but this is it. This part right here, this is made out of aluminum, metal base, so this is nice. So I hope I'm in camera, but yeah, this is really nice. Look at this. So you put it on like this. This is your dust collector, like this. And again, it just fits on by pressure, you know, just tight. Put it on tight, there you go. It just fits on there tight. So this is nice. Okay, this is an on and off switch. It feels really nice. It feels really sturdy. And you know, they actually had a cheaper model, and I believe, I don't know if it was called a Warrior brand, but it looked just like this, but it was actually, it really, the quality didn't really look as good as this one. I think it was yellow and black, but it looked really fragile, and it was like 19 bucks, and I was going to buy that one because I didn't see this one in stock. But after the guy got it for me in the back, I was happy I did. I got this one. Because the build quality, you know, just from looking at it, it's really nice. And you got the cord, of course, you know, pretty long cord. But right now, I'm just going to do a quick comparison between the Ryobi and Bauer Orbital Sander. So here's the Ryobi. And again, you know, this is what I'm talking about. Same style of sender. And it fits the same size sheets, so sending sheets. So this, as you can see. And again, this is made out of the same type of plastic this is, so that's nice. It's very durable plastic, something like nylon. So it's really strong and sturdy. And this has a rubber top, I guess. Yeah, like a rubber top, just like this one has. This one has a little bit of a more rubber feel to it at the top right here. The top, I guess you could say the top of the palm rest. It has a little bit more rubber texture feeling. This has a, I guess kind of like a more rubber plastic feeling, but this has more of a rubber feeling. But as you can see, they basically the same, you know, same style. Let's see right here. Move these to the side. There we go. So you can see, yeah. Again, you know, I had this for 6 months and it wore out, so I was really kind of shocked. You know, it didn't really last that long. So I'm hoping this Bauer lasts a lot longer. But for the price, I can't complain. For $14.99, this was a steal. Because again, this sells for like 60 bucks right now at the Home Depot, and you could actually buy 4 of these just buying one of these. And you know, I think, I mean, it's a great value, so I don't know how it runs or, you know, how long it's going to last, but still, for the price, you just can't beat it. I mean, this is a great deal. So yeah, this is boxing, so I may actually turn it on just to see how it sounds. This one was pretty loud, but it's not as loud as other senders I have used. So I'm going to see this one, see how loud it is. I'm going to use it today. I actually have a project that I was working on, and my sender died on me, so I had to get another one real quick to finish it. But as you see, the sanding paper just fits on like Velcro. It just, you know, just like that. Nice. So I'll plug it up real quick and give you guys a test. Just the audio test, you know, not I don't have any wood right now to sand, but I just want to see how it sounds. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's not that loud, and I like that. You know, the Ryobi is really loud. It's not the loudest, but it's loud. But this is not as loud, so this is nice. You know, I can sand without, you know, making too much noise or disturbing anyone, so that's nice. You know, I really don't have nothing to sand to test this. I got less than a minute left, so I'm gonna sand this real quick. You know, piece of MDF. And you see, this side is pretty, oh, just a little bit. Let's see how it works. Here we go. Yeah, this is okay. So that's about it. My time is almost up. I have about 18 seconds left, so I don't know, it's not bad. It might be the sandpaper. I'm using a very fine grade of sandpaper, so I'm gonna do another test, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I gotta go. Thank you very much. Goodbye.